Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, I'm doing yet again another contact lens unboxing video. SOLOTICA normally sends me contact lenses like every 3 months, and the past few times that they've sent them to me, I always unbox them in front of you guys, and you guys seem to really enjoy those videos. I get a lot of feedback and interaction with you guys. So I figured I would do it again. None of these videos are ever sponsored by them. I do, however, have a coupon code with them that if you use it, I will get commission. I promise you guys I'm going to be 100% raw and real. And I always tell you guys which lenses I love and that I think are like worth running out and getting, and the ones that I'm just kind of like so for. So you can take my thoughts and opinions into consideration if you wish, but yeah, they're always gonna be super authentic. Yeah, and in this video in particular, they sent me the new AQUARELLA beauty lenses. It comes with one pair of lenses for $50, which I know seem expensive, but I'm telling you guys, they're worth it. They're so realistic. And in previous lens videos, realistic ones normally are so much more expensive, so I'm happy that they have this in-between alternative. So yeah, if you guys want to see some bomb lenses, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to jump into the video. I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe. And if you want to see some lens unboxing, then definitely please keep watching. Love you guys. Let's get started. So it always comes in a cute box like this. So this time they sent me these new AQUARELLA SOLOTICA lenses. I do sell lenses that are prescription. The AQUARELLAs that I've tried in the past are still really pretty, and I think these are newer shades. So the first one I'm going to try is called Bossa Nova Gray. That's interesting. It's called Bossa Nova Gray, but they literally look green in the packaging. You can see the lens there. Okay. So I'll also leave all of my previous lens unboxing videos down below if you're interested in seeing some more. Let me pop this one in. Oh my gosh, these are pretty. Hello. Wow, these are super realistic looking too. It literally covers my whole entire like iris. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. These are stunning. Right, so the next AQUARELLA lenses are, so this one is called Amazonia Green. It looks super green. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These look so realistic too. These remind me of my other favorite lenses in ochre. They're just a little bit more green. And ochre was a natural color one, and those are more expensive. So if you wanted like a cheaper alternative, this one's really pretty, looks super realistic too. This is how they look in both eyes. So pretty. Very like subtle, but like pretty pop. I would love to wear these with like an all purple kind of makeup look. I feel like then they'd be super striking. Alright, so the next pair is called Dandara Hazel, and they look like this. In the packaging, they look like one of my favorite lenses called Avella. Those are the SOLOTICA hydrocore lenses that are like $80. So if these look similar, this will be like a great way to get that look, but for a fraction of the price. I decided to try these out. I'll insert a picture of how the Avella lenses look, and then you guys can compare it to this one. Oh, they look like they're gonna make my eyes like a really pretty honey color. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I promise I'm not being extra, but I need to get closer to the camera so you guys can see. Do you see how pretty that is? These look so realistic. I love these. The undertone of it like blend in so well with the brown because it like fades into this color since they're the same undertone as my natural brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes and you want the lenses to look super realistic, these are it. So I just looked at the price and I accidentally had it mixed up with the AQUARELLA daily lenses. The daily lenses are $28 for a pack of 10. There's like a whole different color selection. These are where you get 2 lenses. The whole pack is $50, which to me is still a really good deal for how realistic these look. The other lenses that I've tried from them, like the hydrocore natural color ones that look super realistic too, those are $40 per lens. So if you want that realistic look, but you want to save some money, these are definitely a really good option because you'll get both lenses. So yeah, they're $50 for the 2 lenses. Sorry for that misinformation, but like after these lenses, they're worth it. These are the ones that look almost identical to the natural color ochre ones that I love, and those are $39 per lens, so you can save some money and get these. They're so pretty. And then on top of it, you'll get the 10% off with my coupon code. I'm feeling myself right now. Let me stop. I love these. So far, these are my favorite out of the 3. I always do these videos and then I forget which ones I actually love because I feel like each lens that I put on, then after that, I'm like, no, this is my favorite. No, this is my favorite. Look at the difference though. My brown eye and this. All right, so next up we have Beliza Gray. Also, I mentioned this in previous contact lenses video, but so that way my eyes don't water, I always like squeeze the excess solution out of the lenses. That way my makeup doesn't get everywhere, although my makeup already looks like crap because I've had it on all day. Wow. These are intense. I love how it covers my entire eye. Like you can't see any brown besides the inside of my eye, but like the edges, like it completely cancels out any brown on my eye. Wow, these are pretty striking. Lenses like these are stunning and they look so realistic. They're just not my preference because I feel like it changes my face too much. And although it's fun to switch up my look, like I don't like to look like a whole different person. And I feel like with these lenses, I literally look like a different species, honestly. I look crazy. They're pretty, but I look crazy. But if you have lighter eyes already, you just want to brighten it up some more, then these are pretty. Or if you're into like just switching up your whole look for the day, go for it by all means. What I also love about the SOLOTICA lenses is how comfortable they are on the eye. Like honestly, when I wear them, I forget they're there. All right, we're down to our final 2 lenses. These look intense. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about these because these look really blue. This is Arara Blue, but like these look blue. We'll see. I feel like I normally prefer on myself like green or hazel. I'm normally never a fan of the blue on myself. Like I said, I can appreciate the color, but just on me personally, I feel too different looking. All right, so this is how they look. Out of all the ones that I've tried on today, these are my least favorite just because I'm not a huge fan of blue eyes, and I don't know if it's just that I'm not used to seeing myself with blue eyes, but I feel like they're like the least realistic looking out of all of them. Like these look the most cartoony, if that makes sense. This would be pretty for like Halloween or something, but I don't even celebrate Halloween. So yeah. All right, we're down to our last pair. This last pair is called Cambucci Green. I think that's how you say it. Cambucci. I don't know. But they look like a really pretty, like vibrant green. So let's pop these bad boys on. Again, I always squeeze out the excess solution so that way my eyes don't water as much. Ooh, these are pretty. So these are like just as intense as the blue, but I don't know. I just like the way green looks better on me with my skin tone. Like, I don't know. The blue just really throws me off. These kind of remind me of the hydrocore ones in Jade. Again, I probably wouldn't grab for these all the time because they are more intense, but they're very pretty. Alright you guys, and that wraps it up for all of these lenses. Out of all of these, the ones that I think that everybody needs to run out and get right now is the Dandara Hazel, I think it was the Bossa Gray, the Amazonia Green I also really like too, but definitely my favorite out of all of them was the Dandara Hazel. That one is absolutely stunning, and if you have brown eyes, that's the one that's gonna look so realistic and natural because of the honey color of the contact lens. It fades really pretty into the brown and will look so natural. And for $50 and how realistic they look, and if you're interested in contact lenses, girl, what are you waiting for? So again, I'll leave everything linked down below. You can use my coupon code if you want to or not. If you want to save money, it's Janelle, you'll get 10% off. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed another one of these contact lenses unboxing videos. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.